Once again, Mama Chichit, happy birthday to you. November 23. She is the younger sister of my mother. And this one also is our Lola. Is my grandmother. The mother of my mother. My late mother. Okay, yan. Pareho sila magkatangkad. They are the same. And they are the same also to my mother. My mother is the younger one. Our eldest pala. My mother is my eldest one. And Mama Chichit is my auntie Mama Chichit. She's the younger sister. Because they have one only brother. Late uncle. My papa uncle. She is in heaven also. With Lola, with Lulu, and with Nanay. Miss you. That is the memories of Mama Chichit when she is in college, in university. College, because before it's only college. Yes. Yan. When she graduate in her college, she's education also. Okay, again, happy birthday, Mama Chichit. I miss you and I love you. Thank you to everything that you cares to me before when I'm also studying my college. Love you, ma. Keep safe lagi with your all family, with Papa Eddie and your all children and mga apo. Good day. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama Chichit. We are the same, almost we are the same name. She is Gracie Patayon Labicani Samuya. And me also, Gracie Labicani Torello. My name is just Gregorio Sandy Fidela. Si Mama naman, she is Gregorio Fidela. Oh, you see? They are treating me as a super youngest. Because I am the eldest also. Apo. Granddaughter of my Lulu, of my grandfather and grandmother. I am the first one also. Again, Ma, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. I miss you, Lulu. I miss you, Lula.